whose dimensions are length is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 and height is equal to 8 centimeter. So L is equal to 20 and B is equal to 15 and H is equal to 8. Lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 L plus B into H square units. With 2 L plus B, so 20 plus B is equal to 15, H 8. So 2 into 20 plus 15, 35 into 8. So 35 into 2, 70, 70 into 8, 8 sevens are 56, 0. So LSA is equal to 560 square centimeter. Okay, now let us find total surface area of cuboid. So total surface the cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus L into H square units. Okay, now 2, so length into breadth. So length is equal to 20 and breadth is equal to 15. So 20 into 15 within bracket plus breadth into height. So 15 into 8 plus length into height. So 20 into 8 is equal to 2. So 20 into 15. So 15 twos are 30, 0. So 300 plus 8 5s are 40, remaining 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8 2s are 16 and 0. So now 300 plus 120, 420 plus 160, 520, 580. 2 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, 1, 5 2s are 10, 11. So square centimeter. TSA is equal to 1160 square centimeter. Question number 2. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 meter and into 400 centimeter into 1.5 meter. Here you can see 400 centimeter. So the units are different. So find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. So now let us take L is equal to 6 meter and B is equal to 400 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we have 400 centimeter. So therefore it is 4 meter. So H is equal to 1.5 meter. So now all the units are same. The dimensions of a cuboidal box is given length into breadth into height. So total surface area of the painting the entire outer surface. So we will find total surface area of the cuboidal box. So 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height square units. Okay. So 2 length into breadth L into breadth 4 plus breadth into height 4 into 1.5 plus length into height, that is 6 into 1.5. So 6 fours are 24 plus 5 fours are 20, 0, 2, 1 4 224 plus 6 plus 9. Is equal to 224 plus 6 30, 30 plus 9 39. 2 into 39 78 square meter. So therefore TSA is equal to 78 meter square. And question it is asked us to find the cost of painting the entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. So the cost of painting painting 1 meter square is equal to rupees 22. So therefore the cost of painting 78 meter square is equal to 78 into 22. 8 2s are 16, 6 1s are 14 plus 1 15. So 6 5 1 7 1. So 1716 rupees. The cost of painting 78 meter square is equal to 1716 rupees. Question number 3. The dimensions of a hall is 10 meter, 9 meter and 8 meter. That is length into breadth into height. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceilings at the rate of rupees 8 and 50 paise per meter square. Now let the length be 10 meter and breadth is equal to 9 meter and height is equal to 8 meter. Okay, now area of whitewashing is equal to 2 length L plus B into H. That is LSA. You can write this as LSA plus the walls and the ceilings. So lateral surface area plus ceiling. So 2 LSA 2 length plus breadth into H plus ceiling length into breadth. Okay, now 2 within bracket length plus breadth. So 10 plus 9 into H is equal to 8 plus length into breadth, that is 10 into 9. Okay, now 2 within bracket 10 plus 9 19 into 8 plus 10 9s are 90. 9 2s are 18, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 into 8 plus 90. Okay, now 8 8s are 64, 4 remaining 6, 8 3s are 24 plus 6, 24 plus 6 30, 304 plus 90 is equal to 394. 394 meter square. Therefore, area of whitewashing is 394 meter square. Okay. And the cost of whitewashing meter square. So then the cost of whitewashing, so 394 meter square into 8 rupees 50 paise, just multiply. So 394 into 85. So 8 5s, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2, 9 5s are 45, 46, 47, remaining 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 8 4s are 32, remaining 3, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 3, 75, remaining 7, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 7, 31. Okay, here we have 0 and decimal. So add 0, we have 2 decimal after 2 places. So 3,349 rupees. Cost of whitewashing 394 meter square at the rate of 8 rupees 50 paise is 3,349 rupees. Question number 4. Find the TSA and LSA of the cube whose side is, so question 1, 8 meter. So to find TSA, so TSA of cube is equal to 6a square, square units. Okay, 6a square, 6 into, so taking 8 meter as a is equal to 8. So 8 square, 6 into 8 into 8, 64. So 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2, 38, 384 meter square. TSA is equal to 384. And then LSA. LSA is equal to 4a square. So 4 into a, that is 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. So 4 4s are 16, 1, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So therefore, LSA is equal to 256 meter square. Question number 2. So 21 centimeter. So TSA of a cube is equal to 6a square, 6 into 21 square. So 6 into 21 into 21. So 21 into 21. 1 1s are, 1 2s are, 1 2s are, 2 2s are 4. 1 4 4. 441 is equal to 6 into 441 is equal to 1 6 are 6, 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26 centimeter square. So TSA is equal to 2646 centimeter square. And LSA 4a square, square units. Okay, 4 into a square, that is 21 square. So 4 into 21 into 21, 441. So 4 1s are, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17 square centimeter. Okay, so LSA is equal to 1764 square centimeter. Subquestion 3, 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So let us find TSA of cube is So 6 into 7.5 into 7.5. Okay, now 7.5 into 7.5. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 7 5s are 35, remaining 3. 7 7s are 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay. 6, 5. So 5,625. 6 into 5,625. Here we have 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. Multiply. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 5 2. 6 2s are 12. 13, 14, 15, remaining 1. 6 6 are 36, 37, remaining 3. 6 5s are 30, 33. So we have 2 decimal places. So therefore TSA of a cube is equal to 3,307.5 centimeter square. Okay, and LSA of a cube is equal to 4a square units. Okay, 4 into a square. A square is 7.5 square. So 4 into 7.5. 7.5 into 7.5. So 4 into 7.5, 7.5. You get 5,625. That is 0.5. 2 places, 56.25. Multiply with 4. 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 0, 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Remaining 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 places. So it is 225. So therefore LSA of a cube is equal to 225 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 5. If the total surface area of a cube is 2,400 centimeter square, then find its LSA. So TSA of a cube is given. So TSA of a cube is equal to 2,400 centimeter square. So TSA of a cube is 6a square is equal to 2,400. Now have a square around on the left side. 6 goes for division. So 6 ones are 6, 4s are 24 and 2 zeros. So therefore a square is equal to 400. We did not reduce the value of a square. So now let us substitute a square with LSA. So LSA of a cube is equal to 4a square units. 4 into a square. A square is equal to 400. 4 into 4, 16 and 2 zeros. So LSA is equal to 1,600 centimeter square. Question number 7. 3 identical cubes of side 4 centimeter are joined end to end. So cube is equal to A is equal to 4. So here A is equal to 4, length is equal to 4, breadth is equal to 4 and the height is equal to 4. When 3 cubes are joined together, it becomes cuboid. Here 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So L is equal to 12 and breadth is equal to 4, height is equal to 4. Okay, now they are asked us to find the total surface area and lateral surface area of new resulting cuboid. So now let us find total surface area. So total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2L plus B, 2 length into breadth and equal to 4 centimeter and height is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now let us find TSA. TSA is equal to 2L, length into breadth. So 12 into 4. Plus breadth into height. So 4 into 4. Plus length into height. So 12 into 4. Okay, 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 4s are 4, plus 4 4s are 16, plus 4 2s are 8, 1 4s are 4. Okay, 2 into 48 plus 16 plus 48. So 48 plus 16. 16 plus 6, 24. Remain 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 114 is equal to 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. So TSA is equal to 228 centimeter square. Okay, and LSA of a cuboid is equal to 2 within bracket L plus B into H square units. Okay, now 2 into L, 12 plus breadth is equal to 4, H is equal to 4. So 2, 12 plus 4, 16 into 4. 16 2s are 32, 32 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So therefore LSA is equal to 128 square centimeter. And now students, we have come to the end of this chapter.